Hey, it's Vinny, and there's no secret that programming is one of the best careers to go into in 2023. But what language should you learn if you want to make the most money? Well, today I'll share 6 different languages and share each of their specific use cases and your salary expectations for each so you know what you should learn in 2023. Starting out, we have JavaScript. JavaScript is a language that powers the web, and it's one of the best languages to learn due to its versatility. You can build anything from simple websites with vanilla JavaScript all the way up to complex backend APIs with machine learning with tools like Node.js and Brain.js. Plus, the average salary of an entry-level JavaScript developer is $74,000. And most of these languages will be like this. They'll be under the 6-figure salary at an entry level, but after a few years of work, you should be able to get up to that 6-figure mark. Next up, we have Python. Python is one of the best languages to learn if you're interested in machine learning or AI. It's also one of the easiest languages to learn from a beginner's perspective, and the average developer makes around $78,000. Number 3 on the list is Java. Java is a great language for building out large-scale applications like enterprise solutions, and it can be used from everything from building video games all the way to building mobile applications and even your garage door opener. Though I would say that it is a more verbose and more complex language than the other ones I've showed you so far. Nonetheless, the average developer still makes around $72,000, which is still great. Now we have Swift. Swift is the language from Apple that powers all of their devices, including your iPhone, all the way up to a $4,000 Mac Studio. Swift is great to learn if you want to build for the Apple ecosystem, and it's relatively easier than a language like Java or C++. But one drawback is that you are limited to a smaller development range, and use cases are more limited. Though the average salary is the highest you're going to see today at $87,000. Number 5 is Kotlin. Kotlin is basically the Android version of Swift, and it's mostly used to build mobile applications. But it can be used to build other things unlike Swift, and can actually run on more than one platform besides Android. The skill level and complexity of the language is still about the same as Swift, but the salary does drop a little to about $78,000, which is still amazing though. Finally, we have C or C++. These are the most difficult languages to learn by far, however, and I would strongly recommend not learning them as your first language and rather pick up something like JavaScript or Python first. But they are the most diverse when it comes to the use cases of what you can build with. C, for example, can be used to build super simple things like a basic command line game, all the way up to full operating system kernels. But the salaries are a little bit lower, with C being at $74,000 and C++ being a little bit higher at $75,000. But that does conclude this video, so if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and that's about it, so see ya.